Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add videos and pictures over other video in Canva. So let's get started. So as you can see, first of all, what you can simply do is to add a aspect ratio into the canvas. So first thing first, what you can simply do, go and select the adequate document type. So for my case, just tap on the videos and here you will see a lots of aspect ratio right over here. So there are aspect ratio of 1080 to 1080 for the Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, and many more aspect ratio is there. So for my case, I will go with the YouTube video as I am uploading the video into the YouTube. So I will tap on the YouTube video and then it will show me a aspect ratio like this. So now what you can simply do, first of all, you need to add a video into the timeline. So for that reason, you can go to the upload section right over here and then tap on the videos. And here you can see the video that you have uploaded into the Canva. So if you just want to upload a video into the Canva, you can simply do tap on this option right over here, upload files. Just tap on that. And then you need to select the video you want to upload. So for my case, this one, and I will tap on open. And it will take some time to upload the video for me. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the video. So now what you can simply do, just drag and hold to the video into the timeline like this. And then as this is my primary video which will play in the background, so what you can simply do, right click on it and then select video as background to fit the video into the canvas like this. Alright, so first, this video is my primary video, so I want to put another video in front of the video. For that reason, what you can simply do, go with the another video that you have, but for my case, I want a stock footage, okay, that you want in front of the video. So it can be anything, just go with the keywords that you want to put into the video. From here, if you just go with the elements and search for the element, like I will search for investment. Now in the investment section, you will see the photos and videos right in front of you. So if you just tap on the see all, and there you go, there are lots of investment videos right over here. What you can simply do, drag and drop into the timeline, but like this it won't work. All right, what is the perfect way to do that? Is the perfect way is to go to the elements first and scroll it down until you find the grid option. Okay, so from here tap on the see all, and there you go, there are lots of grids right over here. But if you just want to add a single video at a time in the timeline, then in front of the primary video actually, so for that reason you need to go with this one. Rather than that, if you want to add two videos at a time, then you will go with this one. Okay, just play around with these frames and you will get to go. So for my case, I want to add a single video, so I will grab this one and drag it down into the timeline like this. Then now after that, you need to search again for the video. Let's just go to the video section, and then from here you need to select the video, drag and drop into the timeline like this. After that, you need to trim the video out, that like how many seconds that you want to, once this video played over previous one or the primary video. To trim this video out, you need to select the video like this, and then you will see the trim option right over here. Just tap on the trim option, and then now you need to trim the video out. So select that section you want to add into the video. So for my case, I want this part to be appeared in the video. All right, this part, okay, and it is actually 1 second long, so you can just play around with the time as mine necessary. I have taken 1 second, then tap on the down. All right guys, then what you can simply do, right click on your mouse and then you will see show timing option. Just tap on the show timing and it will brings up to this point. Okay, so now you need to move your cursor at the end of the clip like this, and then drag it down the time you have just trimmed. Like I trimmed the video like 1 second, so I will go at the end of the video and drag it down until I find the 1 second timeline into this, like here 1 second. So like this. So as you can see, now my video is like 1 second long. So now wherever you need this video, you can simply drag and drop into the timeline. Okay, so just go with the first frame. As you can see, it's showing at the front of the video, but I don't want to be in the front, so I will just drag it down until I find like this spot, like 5 seconds after playing the face cam for like this. And then when the 5 seconds will be arrived, this video will arrive for a second, and then as you can see, the video plays in the background. So that's how you can simply add the video. So now let's move on to another option, which is the picture. So how we can add the pictures in front of the video. So again, let's get started. So for that reason, you need to again go with the elements right over here, then scroll it down to the grids option, or this time you can use the frame as well. So for my case, I am again going with the grids, but this time I will add 2 photos at a single frame. So I will go with this one, but if you just want to play a single photo, then you can go with this one. But for my case, I am going with this 2 photos and just drag it down like this. And then you can adjust the time for this at first. Okay, like this. Like I want these 2 photos to be appear in the video for 2 seconds or 2.5 seconds like this. And then the time will be like after 10 seconds of the video, it will play the photos. So now what you can simply do, just drag and drop the photos into the timeline. So how you can do that? So first I need to search for invest again. So let's just search for it, and here is the photos. So you can use your photos, and also you can use the stock photos from the Canva. Okay, so here are lots of photos. So I will go with this one, just drag and drop like this, and then again drag and drop like this. And also you can adjust the photo which you want to appear, so like this one. So this photo is not perfectly trimmed off or cut off, so I will just double tap on it, and now as you can see, we can adjust the photo into the frame. So let's just adjust it and then tap on done, and now as you can see, these photos looks like this. So let's just play the video again. So to watch so as you can see, the photo is playing. After 5 seconds it will show this for video, and then again 5 seconds for the video, and then again watch this photo in front of the video, and then again play the video like this. So that's how you can simply add videos, pictures, videos or pictures over other video in Canva. So I hope this video might help you out in many ways. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. So peace out guys, have a nice day.